Hi everybody, in today's session we are going to teach you how to create a simple calculator so as to make your arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So I'm just using the simple HTML and JavaScript function so as to create the simple calculator that you can use so as to create the calculator just for making your mathematical calculations. It's very simple, so keep on watching this EDakho TV. You can learn more and more. Please make sure you like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Welcome EDakho TV. In today's session we are going to learning how to build a simple calculator. As you see how it is look, and you can see how to add the functionality like addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. As you see how to arrange, and this is all how to use the CSS to build our simple HTML simple calculator. Now as you see, let's try to put some values. Let us see, maybe let's enter some value to try to look if the work functionality is correct. I see 1 2, that's the 12 minus plus 2. As you see, wow, the answer is 14. That's arithmetic. And this C just for swapping, just to clean the screen. Now let's try another values, maybe division. As you see, 6 division by 2. As you see, wow, 3. That's my calculation work correct, as you see. And this is the simple calculator using the only language HTML, CSS and the simple JavaScript just for adding functionality. As you see now, even though you're adding the maybe, as you see, each and everything is work successful. So I give you this opportunity to like and subscribe this channel. If you have some question, please leave your comments below and you will get the help on how you overcome your problem. So let's proceed to see. Let's go to see our source code on how to build this simple calculator. As you see, the title is called the calculator. That's the name of my title. As look how to build this simple. That's the CSS file that you are going to style our calculator. Now, as you see now, this calculator, as how it look, the colors, this how to arrange it is all about the CSS. So let us see this how to build the calculator by using the CSS, HTML and small JavaScript. Now as you see now, the buttons, we're just using the form with a button. And the first input we are typing the input ID, you say a screen. So as that screen by default is a placeholder looking as a 0 on our CSS calculator is 0. As you see, let us show clear. That's ID. Scroll it left. As you see now, in ID screen, that's above the screen by default is 0. Now as you see, 0. And now let us scroll it to see the below button, arithmetic operation like plus, subtraction, division and multiplication. As you see, just using the button class is equal to symbol. Class of a button will be symbol. Now my functionality is on click. So when someone click a plus, so we expect to display that symbol on the screen. As you see, we are just using the function show the plus icon. So, and also we have the show subtraction. When someone click subtraction, you will see, as well as division and also multiplication. We are just using only the function, and this function is supported by JavaScript. Now as you see, the appearance of the symbol as addition, subtraction, division and the multiplication. So I keep on watching this space below before arithmetic and the numbers range. That space we are just using the break, just only break, and upwards to leave the space below. Now in first a row we just have 4 entirely button. Now we have number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4, and this is also just using the small function as in the symbols. Now we say now class, instead of symbol now we're writing numbers, class numbers. Now we say on click function show 1 stand for when someone click number 1, as you see on the screen display 1. So when someone click number 2, number 4, number 3, and so on, thus we can see how it look like by using the function show. So when is your first time to watch this video, please make sure you like, you subscribe, and you comment this channel EDakho TV to be the first to see all notification. And if you have some question, please leave your comment below and I will help you. Let's proceed with our session. Now let us see the second row, number 5 to number 8, as is same as just number 1 to number 4, but the difference just the layout number. Now instead of say show on click show number 1, now we say on click show number 5, number 6, number 7, and then number 8 as same arrangement. Now as you see, someone click number 5, as you see number 6, as you see displayed on the screen, and so on and so on and so on. That's the simple way to build the simple HTML simple calculator by using HTML and JavaScript plus CSS just for cascading spreadsheet to make appearance look nice, as you see now. Let I now finish the last line. As you see, button class now is number 9, number 0, and now we have another 2 symbols. Symbol C standing for swap, just for cleaning our screen, and the symbol echo just for making calculation, any calculation that are present on the screen. As you see now, if we click the C, we are just using the function swap so as to clear our screen. Now when somebody cleans, as you see, wow, now we clean our screen. And if we want to make arithmetic calculation, we are using a function calculation, and we are maybe 5 minus 2 as equal to 3, as you see the function calculation. That's how, as you see, on way to build the simple calculation. And thus we have a simple JavaScript file that help us to execute those functions like shows, calculate, swap, and so on. Now as you see, our calculation is working correct. So let I go to see another files. Maybe before that, let I show a clear code. As you see, I'm just scrolling. As you see, the last line, as you see, just scrolling. Okay, as you see, this is our simple calculator. If you have some trouble, please you can leave your comment below and I will help you for more question. After knowing that, and you see how this calculators be built by simple HTML and some JavaScript functionality, as you see. So now we are going to move on to see how this CSS is being applied so as to make a good decoration of our calculator. Now as you see, this is a simple CSS file. As you see, this is a simple CSS file. The first file, we are just using the field set. The field set, as you see, the background colors, the width, padding. As you see, we say padding none, position center, border radius. As you see, border radius is 10 pixels. So as you see, let's open our calculator to see what I'm going to style it. So look, that's edges, that's 10 pixels. That's edges, the 10 pixels, and as you see, that edge, that's the 10 pixels. And as you see, our calculator is be positioned at the center side. As you see, the position center, as well as you see, padding none, no any padding space provided. as well as you see now our calculator, how it's being look good, very good. Now as you see, width of this is 20%. That's the width of my calculator, create calculator. So you can increase or decrease according to your privilege or according to your needs. Know someone who can make you to as you need that you can put your calculator. So let's say proceed to see. As you see, if you are just adding some space above, as you see what things will be going to happen. If you add some space, your calculator can be squeezing down according to your measure that you are using. But as you see now, let's refresh it to see. As you see, we are adding some space on top of our screen now. So you can modify according to you can copy this code and just creating your own calculators. As you see, if we increase the pixels, as you see now, how does it look? Something that's so just build your calculator according to your privilege. Now let's move on to see that's width of our calculator. So let's try to change our width of our calculator. Instead of putting the width to be 20 pixels, let's now try to put our width to be maybe to increase that space so as to see how our calculator behave like. So as you see, everything's nice. Now go in your width just to enlarge this calculator. So to enlarge this calculator, maybe let's put the width to be 30%. Maybe refresh. As you see, the width will be increased. As you see, the width are increased. That's the width of our calculator. So you can modify according to your preference. So if you're first time to watch this video, EDakho TV, please you can make sure you subscribe my channel so as to be the first one to get the more information about this. And if you miss or you get some trouble about this simple calculation, how to build it, please leave your comment below so as I can help you clear. Now let's move on to see how the input are be styled. As you see our input in our screen, the width is the text align right. As you see where the 0 is positioned at the right. So if we change that side to be the left, the text can be started from there. Left, but now we say text align right, as you see where the text come from. Also we say the font size to be 40 pixels. So now you can add maybe whatever the case, you can add or you can decrease the font size of your typed document. Also we have the border radius of our calculator. Now you see we are just increasing the font size to 50 pixels. As you see now it's enlarged, as you see. So as well as we have some back border radius, as you see in our screen, we have some rounded edge. The rounded edge, that's 10 pixels. If we increase as you see, let's try to refresh to see how it looks. It looks something that's not good, but we just only use the 10 pixels for the edges so as to make our calculator looking nice. So also as you see, background color is white. When you are typing your document, there is background color white. Now as you see, so you can change color according to your privilege. Now as you see, height is the 90%. As you see, the height of our calculator, as well as the width, as you see, is 95%. So let us see how our button will be displayed. Our button, as you see, the color of the button, the width of the button, the border radius, as you see, the background color is black. So all the button that you see, button starting from the number 1 until 9 and 0. That's the button tabs. As you see, the width of it is 23%. The height, the font size, as with the height is vertical ones. You see the font size of our text, see the 40 pixels, that's the number D, I mean number 1, number 2, number 3, and so on. Also the color of the button, as you see the white color, as well as you see the border radius is we have the 10 pixels, so as to make sure our calculator is looking nice. Likewise, as you see how it look like, as well as we have the background color. The background color will be the black. As you see our button, the background color is black, as you see. Now our font family that I'm just using in styling my CSS is just called the canvas. As you see, that's how the appearance of a text looks. So let I finish up with the symbol. Background color of the symbol is only, as you see, that's how to style the background color of the symbol. Remember that all the symbol that we are being writing in our CSS, we just put the background of that symbol. And this is the code about the CSS on how to style our simple HTML calculator. Now we end up, as you see, each and everything is working clear. Now back to our calculator. Now let's try to refresh. As you see, goodbye. As you see, each and everything is clear. Let I make the sliding to see where you come from. So let's meet on next video. Bye bye.